What is going on, guys? Back with a brand new video. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more videos like this. Give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, you guys, I know some of you have been wondering, where have I been? It's been a week. I've not filmed this month at all, December. You guys, I am in the process of losing 20 pounds right now. Okay, so let's just say my diet started December 1st. And it's December, what's today? December 7th or, yeah, December 7th. I have not ate no junk food. I've been taking care of myself. I honestly want to lose weight this month. I'm focused, determined to lose weight this month. I cut a lot of stuff off for this month, a lot of stuff. And I really want to start the new year fresh, 2025, with less. I want to feel myself good again. I want to start filming consistently how I used to do, and I cannot do that until I lose weight. So that is going to be my my journey right now, to lose weight. Trust me when I tell you this, be patient with me. We're going to start the year fresh. 2025, I want to take this channel, I want to move it up. I want to try new places. I want to, so you guys be patient with me. I promise you, just be patient with me. But today, you guys, today is my cheat day. So basically, I'm only going to be filming every Saturday for this month. So every Saturday, I'm going to drop a video. So today's Saturday. The next video will be dropped next Saturday, because I got to take care of myself all during the week. So you guys, today I was craving Dave's hot chicken, you guys. And that's what we got. So you guys, first, let me get my thumbnail. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited because I have not ate junk food for the past 7 days. Look. We're gonna add some. We also got mac and cheese, you guys, but I couldn't put it in the tray. Oh my, look at this, you guys. Oh my, this bite's gonna taste so delicious. You guys, that slider was phenomenal. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be a messy video, you guys. I'm already dropping stuff over here. So we got some cheese fries right here. Let me have some. Let me have some deep hot sauce too. Hot one, and we have a mild one, guys. And that's what we're gonna do. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, that was delicious. You guys, if you ever come get this, you make sure you get the honey. Look at that. Oh, guys, look at that. You guys, I hope you guys are doing so good. I really missed you guys. Oh. You guys, this is a messy video. I'm definitely cleaning my car after this. I'm gonna go clean it. All right, you guys, this is it. The final bite. I'm 40. Oh my God. You guys, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to YouTube, guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.